y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, man, with another crazy day at the shop, man. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm not trying to bite or hate on anybody, but if you want to ask who's the true Mopar kings, I'm gonna say we are. Let me explain to you why. 1 in the bay. Y'all ready? Let's go through 1. 2. Tatiana's here. 3. Another one here. 4. Another one there. 5. Another one here. 6. Another one there. 7. Another one. 8. That's 8 Mopars here, guys, in one day getting ready to roll. Hey, man, if you really want to say, come here, Real, I got a question for you, man. And I'm not knocking on nobody's name, but I want to tell you something. If you want to say who's the true Mopar king, who's the real Mopar kings in Dallas?
We are.
We are, guys. Why? Because we do nothing but we do it all now, don't get it wrong. But we are.
Don't get it twisted. I got my little Mustang.
Oh, yeah, we ain't going to talk about that right now, but check this out, guys. You know what I'm saying? In reality, man, God has blessed us with a great following from you guys, man, supporting this channel, supporting our work here at the shop, man. We want to tell you guys, truthfully, thank you guys, because, man, without you, it would not be possible, man. It's something, truthfully, it would not be possible. We have to really give God the glory first, and then, of course, give you guys, the fans, the benefit, man, because y'all really have supported us deeply, man. So we have a lot going on today. I'm going to show y'all what's going on as we roll into this video. It's going to be a crazy day. I had to motivate my guys, and watch this. Look, I'm going to go ahead and talk to Josh over here. Josh, a question to you, man. A couple minutes ago, you guys asked me for some money because y'all wanted to go buy lunch, right? Yeah. You guys said you wanted to eat what? He said pizza. When I said, listen, I'm away from my son to get back, and I'm gonna buy a bucket of chicken, what happened? What was the reaction? Oh, look at this guy, look. They flying, man, because they, you know, I'm gonna tell you one thing, I just learned something today. If I can get them to, for chicken, I'm buying chicken every day, y'all. Chicken is everyday meal here from now on, man, because the reality, look, I mean, I can't even tell you, like, I have to get out the way. I think Drew is moving faster than my HELLCAT today, so I'm gonna tell y'all, man. He's flying to the shop today. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on, man. We appreciate you guys, man, and I'm gonna show you. We got the Blue Goon up in the building here, man, from DFWLX. He had these halos done a while back. He's definitely got right now the Underglow installed in RGB. He came back to the shop. He wants to get RGB flow. So we're taking this bad boy apart right now, getting new ones installed to get RGB flow in this car and get them out the door as soon as possible. Then we have over here, this one we just got done wrapping it, y'all. So this was a black car before, and I can show y'all this right here. Hold on, let me see, I got the keys for this boy. Craig, can you unlock the car for me real quick? But this car used to be a black car. It belongs to a customer of ours, Jason. We have the wheels and tires that you can see installed there. He got the beautiful Ferrata with the spike plugs installed. Got the 315s in the back, 275s in the front right there installed. We did the custom matte black stripes. This is all wrapped. The green is wrapped. The whole car been wrapped. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about this, man. This thing is looking good. We're gonna be installing some more stuff today as this gets through. This one should be out of here today. We got this one here, man, and we are sad to say we're still waiting for a part for this car from California. As y'all know, the coronavirus has destroyed everything, man. So we're actually working on this bad boy to get it situated as soon as possible. We got the old Tatiana. He had lights installed by another guy when Real first had this car before he came to AUDIOZONE. He had some lights installed at another guy, and he's having failure with them, so I'm gonna fix that for him today. We got this one came over here. This is actually the husband for the girl who owns the red Durango, like about 3-4 videos ago. Y'all can see we did the Durango for the wifey. Well, he came in today, man. We're gonna be doing some stuff for him too. We're gonna be doing some caliper painting and putting the Brembo stickers to make it look pretty. Then we have this one over here. It's coming in for work. Lights. Another one over here for lights. Man, it's lights, man. I mean, in reality, it's just a bunch of lights going on. We got my son over here in the building, man. Tell everybody what your YouTube channel is, son.
Alpha_Cruz_YT.
Say it again.
Alpha
Look at the camera.
YT.
Well, what do you do on your channel?
I post montage. I got a montage coming up, Fortnite montage.
So how good are you at Fortnite, man?
I'm pretty cracked.
I'm gonna tell y'all something right now. He says that he's killing. I'm gonna tell you one thing, man. Honestly, man, I'm not a fan of the game too much. He's a great player of the game. So in this comment, if you want to 1v1 him, or you want to do it for free, you want to do it for money, I want to put him to the test. I want to see how good he really is. He's talking about how he could build it, he could do this. You know what? The best way, like I tell my people, man, you have a fast car, you really know how fast it is when you put it next to another car. You can say your car is all this and the specs say this and it does this and it does this. It doesn't matter. Put the car with the driver, put it next to another car, and you really know how fast the car is. I'm gonna challenge him today. He says you say you're good at the game, right?
Yeah.
How good are you? Talking now. I want to see you talking. You're good.
And
So
you want to 1v1 me, I do wagers too.
we do wages. So guys, comment on this channel, man. If you have a kid or you have family or if you yourself plays the game and you want to get on it, I want to see the game, man. Tag me. We'll set up a time And I want to see that we can do it for fun, we can do it for money. I want to see how good he really is, y'all. So please help me to see how good my son really is in this Fortnite game that he spends so many hours on playing, man, and so much time playing in it, man. So, you know, hit me up and let me know what we're doing, man. We're going to be rolling. I'll keep y'all posted. So we're rolling, y'all. We got the AUDIOZONE. I'm about to finish her up, but customers are first. Tatiana's here. We got this one here that y'all already saw earlier. This F-250 came in. We built her a custom built box. I should have it here in a few seconds from my builder to get this built for her and get her down here. 4 6.5 custom made in this area right here. This should be done in a few minutes. And then we have the this one over here coming out right now, which is Klein. We're doing the Glow Flow series. I'll show you that one in a few minutes. And we're rolling, guys. Because God is good and giving us the strength to work every day. So we're gonna do what we have to do, man. I got a Jeep coming in real quick. They're about to put a quick system in that Jeep, get that Jeep out the door, and we can roll from there. Here goes our box, guys. Custom built, Ford Nemesis 6.5s. Porch right here on the side, as you can see here, guys. This is gonna be going right there with the 4 subs into that truck. We should be having that done in a few minutes for Trina, and we'll get that rolling. All right, Trina, so I know you came to pick up your vehicle. Y'all see her in a lot of my videos, because that means she's here a lot. I didn't get to show you the completed job, but she can come in. What do you think?
I love it.
Happy?
Happy.
Respected?
Respected.
I love it, man. Well, y'all, this was out the door, man. We appreciate it. Y'all be good. God bless. On this one, let's go to the next.